I can't believe I cut my hair. It was time. Welcome to day 11 of my 31-day challenge where I am trying a new product, style, or method on my Sisterlocks. I've been growing my Sisterlocks for almost 12 years now, but I don't do much with my hair. I usually wear my locks down like this and I stick to my routines. But for the month of December, I'm trying something new every single day and I'm sharing it with you. So subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to join the journey. In today's video, I am trimming my hair myself. I have never put scissors to my hair before in any kind of significant way, maybe just to cut one end off of a lock, but I have never trimmed my whole head, so this is going to be a first for me. I have had my hair trimmed by my loctician before, but that's obviously not the same. Yesterday when I was braiding my hair and putting in those gold hair jewelry, I noticed that some of the ends of my hair just looked a little bit scraggly, just looked like they could use a cutting. So today I decided that it was a time for me to learn how to do that. So I went and got myself a new pair of scissors. I don't know if that matters, but I did. And I'm also going to just have my brush with me just to make sure I can get my hair as sort of straight as possible before I do any cutting. And I have a mirror to help. My hair grows in a sort of naturally layered way. You can see that. And so my plan for today is just to sort of follow that and clean up any of these sort of ends that are sticking out or look like they just don't belong, like this guy. People have asked me if I would ever cut my hair, and the answer is yes. I've actually thought about it quite a bit. I see some of these girlies cutting their hair into bobs and it looks so good. I am tempted, but for some reason I just haven't had enough interest to actually do it. So let's just take the little baby step today and trim my hair. The first thing I'm gonna do is just sort of part my hair into two and try to make it as even as possible. And then I'm just gonna try to brush it straight and stretch it. Actually, before I do all of that, let me show you what I'm working with here, so you can see from the back what we're starting with. So there are just like some ones back here that are kind of straggly in the back. I usually have some that are much longer than the others, and I just want to trim those up today. Okay, so I'm just gonna divide my hair into two, trying to do this as evenly as possible. I'm like scared and excited at the same time. Scared because I really don't have any idea what I'm doing, but I'm excited because I love a blunt look on locks. I don't know if I'm gonna end up with a blunt look because I might be too scared, but it's gonna be cleaned up and improved from what it is right now. So even just looking at this side, you can see these ones like kind of just hanging off on the ends, and I just want those gone. Same thing over here. Okay, so I might put this in a scrunchie just so I can focus on one side at a time. Okay, I'm gonna start in the front. And look at this one long one. I'm scared to cut, but I'm gonna do it. Oh my God, I cut it. Oh my God. My heart is beating so fast. Oh my gosh, I did it! I did it! So I'm just trying to cut it on an angle, and like I said, just following the natural layers of my hair that currently exist. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Oh my God. What am I doing? What am I doing right now? Okay, calm down, Toy. It's just hair. Oh, it's just hair. Can you guys see? Oh my God. Oh my gosh. I'm sweating. What am I doing? Okay, no, I know what I'm doing. It already looks neater on that section that I've cut. Oh my gosh. What? Oh my gosh. I love that already. Yeah. I'm not even gonna lie, my heart is beating because I just don't want to make a huge mistake. But it is just hair. Okay, so let's compare. You can see the difference. This looks a little bit more pruned and looks a little bit more wild over here. Okay. Let's put you away. But like, look at this. It was just so thin there in the middle. That made no sense to have that. And I think that's it. Let's see. I think that's it. Oh my gosh. Here we go. The ends look so much better. It doesn't look like a blunt cut, but I don't see those little straggly things hanging off, and one isn't like dramatically longer than the other in the back anymore. Yay! So that's it. I am really happy with this trim that I gave myself. I feel like my hair looks a little bit more manicured, and I definitely just feel a little bit lighter, even though I don't think much weight's come off of it. I just love how it looks a little bit more uniform now. Let me know in the comments if you trim your own hair or if you leave that to your loctician or stylist. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and see you tomorrow.